DJI Mavic 3 Battery Charger by Limeta. Got that coming up next. Bill the Drone Reviewer here. If you like the content of this video or anything on my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any future content. With that, let's begin. The DJI Mavic 3 is an elite drone, and you want to have an elite battery charger for that drone. Well, the good folks at Limeta approached me to go ahead and test their DJI Mavic 3 battery charger. So we're going to go ahead and roll that clip. We went ahead and did an unboxing, a setup, and a test of the battery charging system. So without any further ado, let's roll that clip in its entirety. Okay, we're going to unbox the Limeta Mavic 3 battery charger here. See, it is a 200 watt Mavic 3 series triple channel charger. And on the back are the specifications, including the model number, AC input, USB Type-C input and output, PPS, charging power, and the number of battery bays. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at what's inside the box here. And there's some plastic covering the top of the Mavic 3 battery charger by Limeta here. And there are the 3 battery bays. And the function button on the front, and where you plug the outlet in, and the USB-C input over there. And in the compartment below, we have the cable to attach it to the outlet, and we have directions. They seem to be pretty well written. Okay, let's go ahead and hook the charger up to the outlet here. I'm going to go ahead and plug that in. And plug that into a wall outlet. And all the status lights come on. And you can also hear a fan coming on at the same time too. So let's go ahead and put in the 3 batteries. Make sure they're in the right orientation. Okay, they are all in the charger. See, all of them are charging simultaneously. Now, with the function button, you can charge all to 100%, or you could charge all to 60%. That is a nice feature of the Limeta battery charger. Now, the charging time I found for all 3 batteries simultaneously is anywhere from about 75 to 85 minutes. You also have the option, as I indicated in the video, of being able to charge it at either 100% or 60% by use of the function button on the outside. An item of note, there is a cooling fan in the charger itself, and it can be a little bit on the noisy side. Question of the day: what did you think of the DJI Mavic 3 battery charger by Limeta? Let me know in the comments section below. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, it's a great day to fly.